How to fix Black Ops 7 lag and packet burst error. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Black Ops 7 lag and packet burst issues. So if your game keeps stuttering, freezing, or showing connection spikes, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive right in. First, we need to adjust your network settings. On your Windows PC, go to the search bar and type View Network Connections. Open it up. Now find your active network adapter, the one you're using to connect to the internet, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Double-click it, then click Properties. Next, tap on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Then click Properties. Here, make sure you have Obtain an IP address automatically selected. Now under that, choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Now enter these DNS values. For the first line, type 1111. For the second line, type 1001. These are fast, reliable DNS servers and can help with connection stability. Click OK, then close to save your settings. Now let's refresh your network connection. Go back to the search bar and type CMD, but this time run it as administrator. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Then click Yes if a pop-up appears. Inside command prompt type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. This clears your DNS cache, which can help with connection issues. Then type netsh winsock reset. Press Enter again. This resets your network stack, which can fix hidden connection problems that cause lag and packet burst. For the last step, you just need to restart your computer so all these changes can fully apply. Once your PC restarts, open Black Ops 7 again and test it out. Your lag and packet burst should be completely gone. And that's it. This quick method is one of the most effective ways to reduce lag and fix packet burst in Black Ops 7. If this helped you, let me know in the comments.